Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into a comprehensive tutorial on net present value, NPV. This will cover the concept, the formula, the importance, advantages, disadvantages, and a detailed explanation with code examples in Python. What is net present value, NPV? Net present value, NPV, is a financial metric used to analyze the profitability of a project or investment. It essentially determines the present value of all future cash flows, both positive and negative, associated with an investment, discounted back to the present using a specified discount rate, also known as the required rate of return, hurdle rate, or cost of capital. In simpler terms, NPV answers the question, is this investment worth it, considering the time value of money? If the NPV is positive, the project is expected to generate more value than it costs, and it's generally considered a good investment. If the NPV is negative, the project is expected to lose money. If the NPV is zero, the project is expected to break even.